Okay, here's a problem that often gets people's interest when it comes to numbers. We maybe kind of want to have an idea what is really our probability, although this is not a probability problem, this is the start of it, of winning one of these multi-million dollar lotteries. And here's an example of a Powerball lottery. In this case, this Powerball lottery is played with 55 white balls, numbered 1 through 55, and 42 red balls, numbered 1 through 42. 5 white balls and 1 red ball are drawn, the red ball being the Powerball. How many Powerball results are possible? So we want to know how many possible tickets will we have to cover to make certain that one of those was the actual chosen winner. So on a big perspective, I see we're going to have to do two things. We're going to have to, if we're drawing the balls out of the bin, we're going to have to select 5 from the 55, and then we're going to have to select 1 from the 42. Now, in my mind, I like to simplify these down to something I'm more familiar with. So that would be like drawing some shirts from the closet and drawing some pants from the closet. On a big view, this is just a closet problem. So let's handle drawing the white balls first. And now I see I'm going to draw 5 from 55. Well, clearly I'm drawing a small group from a bigger group. This must be a combination or permutation. So we have to ask, does the order matter or not? We're going to draw from 55, 5. And I know enough about math that I don't play the lottery, but I have seen the cards, and I must confess I used to play on occasion, and I know that they're just little Scantron sheets, and if I choose the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then all I do is fill out the Scantron. There's no way the people who run this know which one I filled out first. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 would be equivalent to 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, or any order thereof, making this guy a combination. That is the 5 number of ways I can select 5 white balls. Now let's deal with a much easier Powerball. I'm just going to select 1 out of 42, much like I'm going to select a shirt out of 42 in my closet. The 42 shirts in my closet all happen to be purple, but I'm just going to select one of those 42. So I have 42 options for my Powerball selection. But again, I said this was a closet problem. I have to do this and this. I have this many choices and this many choices. So we are left with multiplication. So there is our pre-simplified result. C55.5 times 42. And you might be surprised to see how big that becomes, and you can take that to your calculator and figure out how many different how much you would have to spend in order to cover all of the Powerball possibilities, and then you'll get a pretty good feel for why the Powerball pays out a pretty fair sum lump if of course you get the 5 white balls and the Powerball.